guys, welcome to Parrot Playhouse. I'm here with Thomas, and in the back is the incredible Queen Victoria. There she is. Say hi, Victoria. Say hi, Thomas. Anyways, we're gonna show you a video that we filmed in October. Baby's birthday party. I actually lost the footage and I just got it back, so we're gonna show it to you. Right? Yeah! Here comes Victoria! Oh my gosh. Anyways, enjoy. It's super cute. Get ready to smile. It's gonna make you feel good. Bye. Hi guys! Welcome to Parrot Playhouse. My name is April, and this is the incredible baby in his traveling carrier. And look at that. Look at that. It's all decorated because today is his birthday and we're at Boomers. Yeah? Are you excited? Yeah? So baby is going to ride the Ferris wheel. You're going to ride the Ferris wheel? And who knows what else? And my mom is joining us today. Hey Mom! Okay. Yeah. Are you ready to get inside? You ready to do this? Yeah? Okay. Woo! Let's get in there. He wants to get on that Ferris wheel. Here we go. It's so bright today, and today is Halloween, baby's favorite day because it is his birthday. Oh my gosh, we come here every year, and he rides that big Ferris wheel over there. Do you see that? So he's gonna go up that, and he absolutely loves it. So here he is. Yay, so we gotta go in, we gotta get our tickets. Okay, so we're not gonna get our tickets. Baby loves the arcade. It's like his favorite. So here we go. Okay, so baby's here, and here's the Boomer staff. They are awesome! Yay! So we gotta buy some tickets for the birthday boy.
Everybody's got particular rides that they don't like, and Ferris wheels are one that
it goes back.
Don't like.
It's like she goes on all kinds of roller coasters. I mean, it's crazy. But this will bring her to tears. And then one for Mom. Yeah. Okay. Good. Good. I'm glad you're doing it.
Did you have a play call?
We did, but we lost it. We'll just get another one. Okay. And then I think we might do the go-karts, but we'll come back. We did them last year and he liked them.
Alright, so we're at
I love hearing people's birds that live a long time. Good job, Mama. Her cockatiel lived to be 20, what was it, 25?
25.
Good God. Oh my God. So it's oldest baby. You ready? Okay, so we'll just go over there and start this adventure. Okay, so here we go. We're getting ready to go up to the Ferris wheel. We're so excited. Oh my gosh. He's just so pumped. Okay, ready? There it is. Oh my goodness, baby. Let's do this. Think. You ready? Ready? Here we go. Okay, so we're in there. Oh my gosh. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Oh! You're flying, Boo-Boo! Oh my gosh.
so much fun.
It's so high. Yay! What do you think? You having fun? Having fun? Oh. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yay. You're flying, baby. You're flying. Yay. Oh my gosh. We're just seeing it all. This Ferris wheel goes really fast. Yes. Oh, good boy. Ferris wheel is stopping. And we're up in the air. Oh. Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's okay. Oh my God, the Ferris wheel just stopped. Oh gosh. Okay, we're moving. He probably did that on purpose for you, Mom. Oh my gosh. Woo! Yeah, he liked that part. He's like, yeah. He loves that. He's just like, yeah, I'll hang up there all day. That was so funny. What happened? What happened, huh? Yeah. So now we're gonna go on the go-karts. We gotta go buy our tickets for the go-kart. You ready, baby?
Yeah, you ready?
Or articles are submitted. And the articles become loose during your ride. Please pull over safely and bring your hands.
Got it? Yay, so we're all set. I'm gonna turn off the camera. Here we go, let's do it.
So much fun! Yeah! So much fun! He's having so much fun! Press to start. Okay, ready? Here we go. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm a little off. Here we go. Should we do another one? Should we do another one? You ready? Here we go. Here it goes. Whoa. Here it goes. Yeah. Oh, I did horrible. What did I do? I'm horrible. This is something different. Oh my God. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Oh my God. Your mommy is horrible. Oh my God. Angry. My God, my mom's gorgeous. Look at her go. Ah! Whoa! She's just bouncing this thing. I'm gonna get kicked out of here. Oh, she's angry. Did I do something? Is she mad at me? Oh! Oh my God! This is a kid's place, Mom. Oh my God, she's like pitching. It's crazy. Oh my God. Oh my God. You nailed it. You nailed it, Mom. She's like, has that, oh, there goes the thumb. Oh my gosh, there she goes. My mom's getting into this filming thing. Good job, Mom! I took a picture, baby. Were you getting your picture taken? Huh? Was Grandma watching you? What? You got fun? Yeah? Look at you. You little birthday nugget. Yeah, you're a little birthday nugget. Okay, guys, baby had a blast up Boomers. He rode many of the rides. He loved the arcade, as you can see. So now we're gonna go home. And baby's gonna celebrate with the other birdies and enjoy the rest of his birthday, and most importantly, eat his birthday cupcakes, right, Boo Boo? Yeah? Okay, let's do this.